Hi, this is Sharon Smoot with Coldwell Banker, and I am here today with your real estate tip of the week. If you are selling your home, one of the most important things that you can do is improve the curb appeal. What do I mean by curb appeal? You want your house to be a showcase. When people drive up to view your home, you want them to just love the way the outside of the home looks. So that means keeping your lawn manicured, keeping your flower beds weed free. If you haven't already done so, plant flowers. Make sure that there is no trash or other debris in the yard. During the springtime, or I'm sorry, during the fall, it's important that you clear all leaves from the yard on a regular basis. Keep your trash cans out of sight. If you happen to have kids and there's a basketball hoop in the front, move it to the backyard. You just want your home to be appealing, and nothing turns buyers off more than when they pull up in front of a house and there's garbage, there's leaves, the grass hasn't been mowed, there are weeds in the beds, there's kids' toys out all over the place, garbage cans sitting out in the driveway or at the curb. So just make sure that your home looks beautiful, that it looks appealing. Put yourself in the buyer's shoes. If you pulled up in front of your house, would you think, oh my God, this is fantastic, or oh my God, this is a dump? So that's my real estate tip for the week. Make sure that your home has great curb appeal. Thanks so much, and I hope you found this video informative. Have a great day.